Good afternoon. We've caught some nice fish. Now it's time to give them a fry. But first, we're going to make some fish fry mix. Homemade from yellow cornmeal and a bunch of spices. Hang around, I'll show you how I do it.
Alright, so I like to fry fish. We catch a lot of fish, a lot of seafood. Here locally, we live close to the Gulf Coast, we live close to the lakes, so but I like to make my own fish fry mix out of cornmeal. So first we're going to go with 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal. And I am not going to measure. That's about it right there. So about this much. That's a good amount. Should coat my fish. Now we're going to add about 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder. A pretty good amount, almost a tablespoon of lemon pepper. And so let's shake that in a little bit. That'll give your fish a good lemony taste. This is ground jalapeno. Just depending on how spicy you want your fish. I like mine a little bit spicy, so I'm going to put in probably about 1/4 teaspoon. This didn't come out very fast. This is TxJoy steak seasoning, but any steak seasoning will work. I put in about 1/2 teaspoon. This is coriander. It's a Jamaican spice, but really makes my fish fry stand out, I think. And so I'm gonna go with quite a bit, maybe also about 1/2 teaspoon. All right, now for the main thing, paprika. This is what gives your cornmeal a little bit of color and changes the consistency to more like fish fry. And so we're gonna do a couple of tablespoons, pretty good amount. All right. So now, if you want a little bit of Cajun spice, I usually put just a dash or two of some kind of Cajun seasoning. This is Tony's Sasheries, pretty common seasoning. We're gonna go with about 1/2 teaspoon of that. Now, parsley is optional. I kind of like parsley in my fish fry mix. It's in most fish fry mixes. And so I'm gonna go with about 2 tablespoons. Then, of course, black pepper. Give it about 7 or 8 shakes. And then as far as salt goes, maybe a couple of shakes. We really are gonna save the salt for last. So now that you've done that, and so you see all the spices there on top, we're gonna give it a good toss. Zip up your bag. And so now you can see the difference in the color. Now we have some fish fry. Pretty cool.
If you like this fish fry batter, check out some of my other videos. Remember, live big, save big. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.